I've been trying to get more paper and it's hard on money now, so my mama couldn't get it for me.
Each year, ECU's Honors College is assigned a project. This year, that has to find a way to combat poverty locally. So one group teamed up with the Salvation Army of Greenville to provide school supplies to kids who don't have them.
A lot of our kids are less fortunate and cannot purchase items that they need.
This group of honors students decided to think outside of the box.
Charities are more focused on, getting Christmas presents and Thanksgiving food and stuff like that. So we wanted to focus on getting school supplies to the kids who need them.
At this time of year, low-income children begin running out of school supplies, which can affect their ability to learn.
If they don't have them, they can't do the work that they're assigned, and consequently they could have a lower grade.
Some of the students have found other ways to get what they need.
Pick out the ground and get somebody else pencils.
One child says there's no such thing as running out of school supplies.
If you run out of school supplies, somebody in the school will give you a pencil or a notebook if you need it. So eventually that you would not run out. It's not really called run out. It's like you don't have it on you right now.
A bad economy not only affects the parents, it affects the child.
It's grateful that somebody gave me something because other people won't give you nothing.
Tatiana Brown says getting free school supplies is important regardless of where they come from.
Doesn't matter, unless I have some.
That's why ECU and the Salvation Army are pitching in.
They learn better because they have a focus, and they end up being more productive in school and out of school.
This is Christina Janae Brickey reporting for Pirate News Network.